Oi, pessoal.
A TV do Coisa esteve presente na FAM, Feira Mundial de Artesanato, que aconteceu nos dias 16 a 25 de julho, aqui no estacionamento do Shopping Guatemi.
E você que não pôde estar presente, venha conosco e confira tudo que rolou nos estandes. Vamos lá?
It's not okay to be gay, well I think you're just evil. You're just some racist who can't tie my laces. Your point of view is medieval. Well, that's not how you find it. Do you really enjoy living a life that's so hateful? 'Cause there's a hole where your soul should be. You're losing control of it, and it's really distasteful. You think we need to go to war? Well, you're already in one. 'Cause it's people like you that need to get slew. No one wants your opinion.
Pera. Vai.
Olá,
Oi, pessoal.
esse carro passando com a música.